hungry. Say, tell her I'm hungry. I am. Yes, I am. Say, what should we name me? It's almost like her eyes were rolling back and
Bless you.